Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Guys, here from Jacksonville, Florida. How you doing? How you been? I tell you, it's been so long. It's probably been about 2 weeks since my last video, and I generally don't go that long. But just finishing up, if you're in the States, you're just finishing up Thanksgiving Day here, a nice long Thanksgiving weekend. Also, it was my birthday this weekend, and it's the Thanksgiving, so just had a great time with friends and family, friends and family, and it's time to be grateful. I hope you, if you're in the States here and celebrate Thanksgiving, just take some time to really celebrate with friends and family. That's what this is about, is being able to do those things with friends and family, and hope that you are just grateful for where you're at in life, and where your life is heading, and where your business is heading. But after I get that for you, just to remind you that if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, be sure to click that little bell at the very right there, so that you're notified of any new videos that I put out. Just a refresher, this channel is about entrepreneurship. It's about providing you with tools, resources that you can use to build your business, whether it be in internet marketing, affiliate marketing, direct sales, network marketing, multi-level marketing. So in this channel, I provide this as a tool and resource to you to help you build your business. Things that work for me, things that I may find that may work for you as well. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you come back over and over again, as I do try to do my best to make sure I get out videos at least a couple times a week. Maybe not every single day. I do my best to do it everything, but if I don't, at least a couple times a week. So let's talk about here. So I entitled this video, "How to Attract, Prospect, and Close a Sale on Facebook." And I said that because this is actually a live training that the guys over at MLSP do every single Wednesday, and this is one coming up this Wednesday, November 28th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's basically simple steps to become a magnetically attractive brand on Facebook and have your dream customers dying to work with you, even if you're brand new. And the gentleman that's going to be doing the training is actually a gentleman by the name of Steven Krivda. Know the guy, was a great guy, knows his stuff, a very successful marketer, and what he can do, he can kind of give you some tools and research to help you build your business. So as always, I will leave a link at the bottom here for you to register for this training. Now, of course, if you're watching this video after Wednesday, November 28th, that training will go, that link will go to some other training for that next Wednesday. But if you are watching this before November 28th, be sure to click that link there at the bottom to register for this free training. This is a two-part training, so when you register for it, after you go to part one training, there will be an option for you to go to the second training, because it's a 2-week training, 2 weeks in a row, on Wednesday the 28th and the following Wednesday. So again, if you want to learn how to prospect, how to close sales on Facebook, how to attract people to your business using Facebook, then Steven Krivda is a guy that will help you learn that, and that will teach you those skills that you need. So that's it, guys. It's glad to finally be back with this next video. Again, if you enjoyed this video, if you find value in this video, if you know that someone could benefit from this training, be sure to share the video. If you like the video, like it. And I will see you on the next video. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon. God bless you. Peace.